show you that we went with the tensions. Once we lock it in, we lock it in there through that. Once the thread goes in through there, then you're just gonna put this haul back. That one goes here, and then this is the one I took that one little piece. So once you're in there, we're gonna go to here. You're gonna go through this first loop, and then to the second one, and then to make it easy, you're gonna drop this down, and you're gonna get your thread to go smooth through there. And once you're gonna go through here, we're gonna go through this. See this? There's some guides that you're gonna go down. You're gonna go down through the first one. Actually, this one, since we're using the furthest needle, we should have used this hole there, the furthest one of the try. So once we're through there, we're gonna bring it down through this tube. You can feed it through that tube. Once we got it fed through that tube,
Goes through here, right?
yeah,
And then
we forced it through this little opening, and then you're gonna go through this guide here. You're gonna make this guide, actually you're gonna go down here and there. See? It's gonna go scoop through there, and then you're gonna go through you're gonna go through this back of the eye of the looper, and then you're gonna feed it all the way through, and then you're gonna go up here, and then you're gonna go through this to the other side. You're gonna let it hang for about the thread like 1.5 inches, and then that's it. Same thing with the top thread. We knotted it in through the little loop. We went through one of the guides here. Actually, we're gonna use the furthest needle. We should use this first hole. Then you're gonna go through this first hole, that first hole, and then you're gonna go through this. See how this is? It's going through here, then it's gonna loop over this, back down here, and then through this little clamp here. See this little clamp? And then once you're in through the clamp, get your needle all the way up. You're gonna go through here. Since it's already locked in, you're gonna go and thread it through there, you see? Since it's in the looper, you can go here. There, you see?
mm-hmm.
So you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna come through the front of the needle. There. This goes down. And that's how you're threading it. So, and then when you're gonna start, you can just clip it, leave it like 1.5 inches. Nice scissors. Wow. And that's it. Then when you're gonna go ahead. You can try it now. Getting good.
Let me try it on this edge, matter of fact.
Is a lap seam plain stitch. So we're practicing with just one needle right now. What's this stitch look like? That's nice. And that's really nice.
Clean. Just gotta work on handling it, the pedal.
What I do, what I like to do is just, you get used to it, just like, kind of like a little tap.
Yeah.
And do a half an inch at a time. There, stop. Half inch. No, you're going 2 or 3 inches. There, that's it. That's what you want. Excellent. Excellent. A lot of times you can do this when you get used to it. So if you're doing the work, once you got your needle up in the position like that,
Yeah.
then go.
Alright.
And then just do half an inch. Okay, now get your needle down and start at that position. You see how the needle's going up?
Yeah.
Same thing.
I think it's right there already, right?
Well, make sure it's coming up. See, it's going down
I get you.
right there. Just tap it. All right, you're gonna get used to it.